Hi everyone! Welcome to Filipina Grandma in Norway. Today is a very challenging day for me, guys. Why? I have a big challenge, and this is my first challenge. It is coming from a very supportive friend from YouTube. He supports all my channels. Filipina Grandma in Norway, LOL TV, La Preciosa Cuisine, and April Loves Channel. All the way, he is always there for me to support, likes my videos. Shout out to my very supportive friend, RT MARLON Shillingford. He speaks English, that's why I'm going to speak my best English all the way. Here we go. The challenge is, what do I have in my pants? When I saw this video from him, that from the title, I'm already intrigued. My eyeballs is rolling. Oh, inside his pants. So, I'm a little bit wondering and intrigued, guys. But anyway, he comment to me that he's challenging me to do the same. So guys, I'm here now. It takes 2 days before I decided to accept this challenge. Mr. Marlon, now here we go. I'm here for you and for everybody to see this video if the challenge is successful. Anyway, today I'm going to fish, or I'm going for a short fishing tour. As you can see, it is just a walking distance to the sea. I will go over the bridge. Over there, if you can see the bridge. I always go there for a fishing tour. So guys, here we go. What's in my pants? What is in my pants? I'm going to check what is in my pants. I'll try.
Oh, you're so funny.
Excited ba kayo? Are you excited? What is in my pants? Just a few seconds. Now, I'm going to take out one of the thing that is inside my pants. Oh, it's an egg and 2 eggs. I just take it also out, this other egg, and now it's broken. So I have 2 eggs, and I have one more here. Wait a minute. My carrots. I have here now a carrot and 2 eggs. I'm gonna have this when I feel hungry while fishing to munch. Yes, these are the things I have in my pants. Yeah, it comes from my pants, inside my pants. And I have one more last thing in my pants. Guess it. Can you hear that? Can you hear the sound? Guess what is the last thing in my pants? My wet wipes. Of course, guys, I need to clean my hands before and after eating. So, this is it, what I got in my pants. 2 eggs and a carrot. Did I make you smile, guys? My friend, RT Marlon Shillingford, thank you for this challenge. This is my first challenge in YouTube, and it was really give me a shake, or I was thinking all night what I'm going to put in my content. RT Marlon Shillingford is not my friend in all medias. For example, in Facebook, he is not my friend, but we are connected, a close friend, a very supportive friend, and avid fan to all my videos. We were connected through YouTube. This is the magic of YouTube. We understand our sense, what is in our comments, and then we connect. Thank you so much, RT Marlon Shillingford, at everyone who are not yet friend of RT Marlon Shillingford. Go to his channel, and you always have fun and makes you smile in his contents. So guys, it's time to say goodbye. I'm going to fish and eat my 2 eggs and my carrot. Bye! See you again in my next video. Have a good time, everyone.